and the question which has been raised, that why police ask money when a person is reporting a case at police. I want to put it very clearly as a senior person that police services are free and they are completely free. Even if you come at police and probably you are requesting to get whom it may concern, maybe you lost your life, it is free. Maybe most times our people they don't know whom to report to. Our police command is very clear, especially at the district level. There is a DPC, who is the district police commander, who heads all the departments, CID, traffic, dog section, all the departments at police, especially at the district level. Then we have the OC station, who works as my deputy. And then we have the OC traffic, OC CID, and other officers. So I request our people that in case you are not served very well, you can either come to office of the OC station, office of the DPC, all those offices. Then we shall generally support you. Because most times people come and remain in corridors and they keep quiet. Even when they're asking money from them, again they keep quiet. But I request in these modern times where we are, or where we have reached, that in case any officer requests money from you, straight away communicate to those officers. My phones will be at our station, and even I will be distributing them. And even you can even raise the fund RDC, even our chairman, even the councillors, because most of those guys whom we work with, they know what police does. So I request that I should stop this issue from here. Maybe we shall keep on interacting in case if there are other complaints. Thank you, sir.